In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to the HoneyBook library. File Management 2026. If you want a clean, centralized place for your images and documents inside HoneyBook, this walkthrough will take you from login to a successful upload in just a few minutes. Start by opening your web browser and going to honeybook.com. On the homepage, click Login and enter your account credentials. If you see any security prompts, like a verification code, go ahead and complete those. Once you're in, you'll land on your HoneyBook dashboard, the hub for your projects, clients, and tools. Look to the left side of the screen. That vertical sidebar is your main navigation. You'll use it often, so it's helpful to get familiar with it. Find the section labeled Tools and click it. This expands a set of options that help you manage assets across your workspace. From that list, choose Library. The library is where HoneyBook stores your files and images. When it opens, you'll see your recent uploads right away, typically displayed in a grid or list. This view makes it easy to confirm what's already available and avoid duplicates before you add something new. To upload your own files or images, click the Upload button. Your computer's file picker will open. Select the files you want to add. These can be images, PDFs, or other supported formats, and confirm. You'll see a brief upload progress indicator. After the upload completes, your items will automatically appear in your library, ready to use across templates, emails, and projects. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Batch related files together to save time. Use clear file names so you can find assets later, and give larger uploads a moment to finish before navigating away. If an upload doesn't appear immediately, refresh the page to update the list. If you prefer to pull designs directly from Canva, you can also use the Import from Canva option. The first time you choose it, you'll be prompted to connect your accounts. Follow the on-screen steps once, and after that you can select designs from Canva and bring them straight into your library. And that's it. You went to honeybook.com, logged in, navigated through the left sidebar to Tools, opened Library, reviewed your recent files, and used the Upload button to add new assets. Your files are now centralized and ready for your next project.